everybody, this is Kim. Welcome back. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I wanted to talk today about another game that DoorDash is playing. They're bribing people to become top dashers. Is this new? No, but it's changed a little. Anyways, before I forget, please subscribe. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to leave any comments or questions below so we can have a conversation about this. Anyways, so recently some dashers have received a message from DoorDash that's basically telling them if you achieve top dasher status, you will have priority to the big offers, the $35 plus offers. Ooh, that sounds enticing. So it was sent to some dashers, not all. I personally did not receive it. And I talked to a handful of people, and only one of them that I spoke to had received it. So basically it says that if you complete 25 deliveries between May 6th and May 12th and accept at least 70% of the deliveries offered to you, maintain a customer rating of at least 4.7, and have a completion rate of at least 95%, they would earn top dasher status. So these are existing dashers who currently were not top dashers, obviously, and they wanted them to complete this, I don't really know what you want to call it, but this task of, between this time period, do the 25 deliveries and, all these qualifications, and then you would be a top dasher, and then you would have priority to the big $35 plus offers. Why are they doing this? Well, because most of us are declining these low offers, the no tip or low tip offers. We're just not accepting them. They need these orders delivered. They have tried other games to get us to accept these offers, but maybe it's not working. So they need more top dashers, because the top dashers have to take the bulk of the orders offered to them, or they will lose their top dasher status. In order to remain a top dasher, you have to take most of the offers, even the $3 10-mile Walmart orders. They have to take them, because if they decline too many offers, then they're no longer going to be a top dasher. $35 plus deliveries. How many are there? The promise of priority for these large 35 plus deliveries, $35, it sounds great, but how many of those actually out there? Think about it. Base pay is $3 to $5. Are that many people tipping $30 plus? Maybe I just don't have access to all these fantastic offers. I have had a handful, that tip over $30, but not very many. I can't see that there's that many of these big offers out there, but maybe there are. Maybe I'm wrong. I've had a couple of large tips, but how common are they? Is it worth taking a bunch of low offers in the hopes of maybe scoring one of these higher value offers? Let's say you get one a week. I don't even know how many that they predict you're going to get if you're a top dasher. I don't even know if they're going to really give you any. But meanwhile, you're taking all these crap low offers and making very little money the rest of the time in hopes of getting more of these bigger offers. I don't know. To me, I don't think it evens out. Anyways, changes are happening. You may not see them, you may not notice them. DoorDash is making changes. It's not status quo. They are playing with the app. They're playing with orders. They're going to do whatever they can to get all these low offers delivered. It's not in their best interest to just cancel these orders. They want them delivered, whether the person tips or not. They want this food delivered to the customer. They've been sneaking them into stacked orders. I don't know if you've seen that, but you'll get a stacked order. One person tips great. The other one may not tip at all. it makes the offer look great, but when you actually get into the deliveries, you'll see that one is pretty good and the other one's terrible. I've gotten a lot of those lately. I just unassign the bad one usually, but yeah. Some people are only seeing base pay listed. It says you will get $3.50 plus 100% of the tips. The tips are hidden. They don't see any of it, so they don't even know if there is a tip. And there's no way to tell if there's a tip or not attached to that delivery. So you might end up only getting $3.50. And I don't know. I just think that's really wrong. Look carefully at each offer and only take the one that makes sense to you. If it looks like it's going to be a bad one, it probably will be. These 100% hidden tip deliveries, I've been thinking more and more about it, and I just don't know how you would be able to discern whether there was a tip attached or not. You could maybe say, okay, that's an expensive restaurant, and people usually tip from that restaurant. They ordered a lot of food, so maybe there's a tip attached. They live in a nice neighborhood. I don't know, you'd have to really think about all those things. But that's not necessarily going to guarantee anything. They still may not give you a tip, or it might give you a $1 or $2 tip. So, yeah, I don't know. It really kind of bugs me, but there we go. Will this all continue? Who knows? I think DoorDash is going to keep trying things until they find a way to get all the orders delivered. That's what they do. That's their business model. I did not receive that email about the Top Dasher high offer priority thing, but I would not have done it anyways. I'm not going to strive to be a Top Dasher because I don't want to take the $3 offers. I don't want to take the Walmart offers. I don't want to take the Vaughn's grocery delivery offers. Edible arrangements. There's just so many places that I refuse to go. So that's just not going to happen. But there are plenty of people who will. I think they handpicked people to entice them. I'm not sure how they handpicked them or why they handpicked them, but I think specific people were chosen to receive that message. These Top Dashers are being incentivized to take all the orders. And many of them will do it until they learn the system and realize that they don't have to take all the offers. And that maybe it's not in their best interest to take them all. And that your acceptance rate doesn't matter. That's the best part about being a independent contractor. We have choice. You don't have to take all these orders. But if you want to be Top Dasher, you better believe you do. You don't have to take them all, but you got to take a huge amount of them. So, anyways, I'm not trying to bash DoorDash. I really love DoorDash. I love delivering for them. I think their app is amazing because I get to still see some of the tips. I think if I would feel differently if I didn't, but I like that you can zoom in to see where you're going to be delivering. I like a lot of things about DoorDash. I really do. I enjoy delivering for them. I don't know. It's really fun. And I know that this will not be the last game that DoorDash tries in order to get these no tip, low tip offers delivered. You just gotta keep your wits about you and just really look into each offer they give you and try to get as much information as you could possibly discern from it, and then make a decision whether or not you want to take that offer. And if you take one, make sure you deliver it. Don't accept them and then don't complete that offer, because that's not good either. So just be smart and be aware of what's going on. Did you get the message? Do you have any other insights into why they're doing this, or how we can protect ourselves and make sure that we're not falling victim to these games so that we can continue to make a decent amount of money? Do you have any comments or questions? I'd love to learn from others, so please leave me a comment below, and Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or you've learned something, or it made you think about something that you weren't otherwise thinking about. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching my videos, and we'll see you next time.